Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meals, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing from the Dusky Fields collection, a 90-piece food storage set. It's by Bentco Prep. Here you have 6 portion perfect versatile sizes. They come in 6 stylish colors. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, BPA free materials. It includes 45 lids and containers. They have 1 compartment trays, 2 compartment snack trays, regular 2 compartment trays, round containers, 3 compartment trays, and a 1 compartment bowl. Okay, so it says it keeps leftovers fresh and organized in the fridge. This 90-piece set features multiple shapes and sizes with everything you need to store protein, entrees, salads, fruit, veggies, side dishes, or snacks. The 1 compartment trays, you get 10 of them. The 2 compartment snack trays, you get 5. The 2 compartment trays, you get 10 also. The round containers, which have twist tops, you get 5. And also your 3 compartment trays, you get 10. And your 1 compartment bowl, you get 5 of them. They're made to store, heat, and clean. When you store them, you can store them in the fridge and freezer. They have safe lids and containers. You can heat them in the microwave. And to clean them, they're dishwasher safe, the lids, and also the containers. They're space-saving, stackable design. You stack containers when full or nest when empty to maximize storage. They also have clear lids where you can see what you have in them. Portion perfect food storage. The 1 compartment trays hold up to 4 cups. The 2 compartment trays hold up 1 cup and 2 cups. The 3 compartment, you have 2 1 cup and 2 cups. The 2 compartment snack trays hold 0.5 cup and 1 cup. The round containers hold 1 cup, and the 1 compartment bowl holds 6.75 cups. Okay guys, now it's time to unbox. Hey guys, so here we have the 1 compartment storage tray. And as you can see, they're really nice. They have a nice pretty pink color, and they're made of good quality. So we have 10 of them and 10 of the lids. These are sturdy also. And here we have the 2 compartment trays in pink. This is what it looks like with the lid. Here we have the 2 compartment snack trays, and if you look inside, you'll see it'll say 1 cup and the 0.5 ounce cups. Here are the lids. And this is what it looks like with the lid on top. These are nice also. Okay guys, so here we have the 1 compartment bowls. As you can see, they're really pretty. The purple is really nice. And here goes the lids. And this is what it looks like with the lid over top. Here are the 3 compartment trays. They're in purple as well. And also here's our lids. here it is with the lid over top. Last but not least, these are our 1-cup bowls. They're really nice. The lids are really sturdy. As you can see, they're twist. And here it is with the lid on. Okay guys, so here are all our trays that come in the box. And guys, this is a real steal. It was $24.99 at Sam's Club. So this is perfect if you just want to store your food, or if you want to eat smaller portions, you can use these. And I will buy them again if I had to. The quality on the lids and the containers is really good. So yeah guys, I really love the colors on them. They're nice spring colors. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?